Feeling defeated on this fat loss journey? But wait just a minute. Don't run off to the gym just yet. Today I'll share 5 ingredient swaps you can make that can kickstart fat loss, reduce inflammation, and change the way your body feels and performs. And the best part? You don't even have to leave your kitchen. These are game-changing kitchen upgrades anyone can make, keto-influenced but helpful for everyone. 1. Butter. From now on you'll only consume real butter. Toss the margarine and butter substitutes in the trash. Instead, choose the real thing. Ideally something grass-fed like Kerrygold, but anything is better than consuming seed oil-based butter substitutes. This way you'll avoid those highly inflammatory seed oils, and add nutrient-dense saturated fats in their place. 2. Oil. No more canola oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, palm oil, grapeseed oil, vegetable oil, or corn oils. These seed oils are highly processed, rich in inflammatory omega-6 fats, prone to oxidation, and linked to chronic disease, thus making them one of the most damaging ingredients in the modern diet. Instead, use oils that nourish your brain and body, like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, beef tallow, and coconut oil. 3. Cream. Forget the low-fat creamers loaded with additives. This includes flavored coffee creamers, oat milks, almond milk, whole milk, skim milk, and half and half. Did you know that milk, for example, has 12 grams of sugar and carbs per 8-ounce serving? Yep, surprising, I know. That's why from now on you're going to go for full-fat heavy cream or heavy whipping cream. Not only is it keto-friendly, satiating, and rich in flavor, but it's without the junk. 4. Mayo. Standard mayo is full of seed oils. Did you know that even the mayo that is labeled extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil is usually cut with seed oils as well? It's important you read your ingredients labels. Look for those that are 100% avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, it's more expensive, but your health is important. Look for Primal Kitchen brand and some Chosen Foods varieties. They're the only brands that I know of who make a true olive oil or avocado oil mayonnaise. Maybe try your hand at making your own one day. 5. Salt. Ditch refined table salt and upgrade to sea salt, like Redmond's Real Salt or Pink Himalayan. These are loaded of trace minerals and better flavor. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like these.